Okay, so you have a quadratic equation, or a quadratic function actually. The coefficient in front of your x squared is generally called a. The coefficient in front of your x term is called b, and the constant is called c. Pretty standard. All right, so the graph of quadratic functions look like this if the a is positive, and they look like this if the a is negative. Okay? In either case, this point and this point are called your vertex. Right? It's in this situation it's the highest value, and in this situation it's the lowest value. The way you find the vertex is you first find the x value, and it's equal to negative b over 2a. So remember what b is. It's this guy, and your a is that guy. All right? So in your problem, x squared plus, 10x plus 21 equals y. Just so we can practice, the a is the coefficient in front of the x squared. You don't see it, so you know it is 1. Your b is 10, and your c is 21. Now, whatever these signs are, that's part of the value. So if that were a minus 10x, then your b would be minus 10. Okay, now that we've identified your a, b, and c, to find the x coordinate of your vertex, it is negative b, so negative 10 over 2 times a, and a is just 1. So it's negative 10 over 2, or negative 5. So the x value of your vertex is negative 5. To find the y value that corresponds to that, you have to plug that negative 5 into the equation, or into the function, and solve for y. So negative 5 squared plus 10 times negative 5 plus 21 is the y value that corresponds to the x value of negative 5. So that's 25, right? Because negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25, minus 50 plus 21. So that's minus 25 plus 21 equals minus 4. So your vertex in this problem is negative 5, 4.